Hi, my name is Anil Jaisingh. I'm an Agile and DevOps coach, and I teach Scrum, product management, and DevOps. And today I'd like to share with you 4 concepts that go beyond DevOps. For this segment, I'd like to invite you to grab a BMW. A BMW stands for blank material for writing. Go ahead and grab a BMW and also grab a pen. If you like to pause this video at this time to go and grab this material, feel free to do so. Now, when you have your BMW, fold it into half. Now, fold it one more time. When you open it up, you will see 4 cells on the BMW. As I share the 4 concepts with you, I'd like you to write them down on the 4 cells of the BMW. The first concept I'd like to share with you is Site Reliability Engineer, or also known as SRE. SRE was a concept made famous by Google. Their whole idea was to take the operations team and replace it with a software engineer. The software engineer's role would be to spend 50% of the time on operational tasks like being on call or manual intervention, and 50% of the time working developing the applications as well as automating and scaling those applications. The overall goal of a site reliability engineer is to ensure that they can create ultra scalable systems and highly reliable systems. And that's really where the whole idea and the field of site reliability engineer came in. The second concept I like to share with you is reliability engineering. Now, reliability engineering is that intrinsic ability of a system to adjust and fix itself whenever there are changes. These changes could be expected or unexpected, but the system is able to fix that. Now, I was working for a real estate company. I was a consultant, and I was supporting their website. Their website itself was not versioned. Their website was built on different frameworks as well as on different versions. Now, if you change something with the versions of a software or frameworks or potentially how you deploy it, the website would break. And one night, I was the person that was responsible for taking the website to production, and it failed. In the morning, of course, I was let go. But the main idea was the website itself did not have the reliability, or it was not reliable itself to fix itself. Potentially, how could it fix itself? Well, if something is not working, there is some detection that can go and revert back to a previous version of the website. Or potentially, if somebody pulls out the power, potentially it has the ability to move to a different site, and yet for these users, there is no impact. The impact could be for the company and the organization to go and fix it behind the scenes, but for the users, there's no impact. And that's the whole idea of reliability engineering. A third concept is DevSecOps. Now, DevSecOps is the whole idea of building security in right from the beginning. From the time you start thinking of building a system, designing a system, architecting a system, you build security in. Typically, you had security as a constraint. Typically, you invited security officers at the end and then had to retrofit security in your application. This idea of DevSecOps is to take what we are learning in DevOps and fit security right in there so that there could be a much more secure system built in right from the beginning. And the whole idea of DevSecOps has gone into a few classes. There is the foundations class and a practitioner class that we teach. And I'm going to be sharing a link with you at the end on our website where you can look at the class material and also potentially join one of our future classes. A fourth concept that I like to share with you is ChatOps. Now, ChatOps is this whole idea of taking group chat, any application or messaging platform that can support group chat, that helps you support or communicate with your team. They could be hybrid, they could be remote. You're always having a communication channel open, as well as that messaging system can connect with your software development pipeline as well as with your application. And as things go wrong or change or things get delayed, there is a message that is sent by the system into the chat application. And the whole idea of ChatOps is to integrate both group team chat as well as system notifications so that together as a team, you can support your systems better. Some applications that do that today or support it today is Slack and Mattermost, and there are many more in the market, but these are some of the popular ones. Now, I hope you really liked and enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, please scan this QR code or visit www.conceptsandbeyond.com for articles, videos, and case studies on Scrum, product management, and DevOps. See you next time.